guess what we're doing on Kahshe Lake? We're collecting freaking maple sap from the trees. And here's Andrew. Woo! All right, we got the dogs with us here. So, what are you doing right now?
Right now, we're collecting the sap. It's been flowing pretty good this week. So we're just collecting it. Some places I got buckets, and some places I got pails.
Well, show us what's what. Show us.
All right.
What's this big blue bucket here?
That's just my storage container.
Oh, I see lots of stuff in there. It looks like water. This looks like an ice cream bucket. You making ice cream in here?
Actually, that's exactly what this was. It was an ice cream bucket that I got from the Blue Store.
Blue Store.
Yeah.
There you go. Go to the Blue Store. They're the best. Oh. What's this thing? So I guess the sap comes out of there and goes into this thing. Where's the old-fashioned stuff?
Well, the old-fashioned stuff's up here.
All right. It's a little-known fact that up here in Muskoka, maple syrup actually comes from poplar trees.
Here's an old-fashioned bucket.
Oh, here's an old-fashioned bucket. There we go.
Dripping slowly.
So now what do you do? Now, pour it in.
Pour it in.
Check this out. This is like a 2-for. 2 taps in one tree. Better let Andrew do this. What's in here? Frogs?
Frogs, yep. Flavored frogs.
Nice. Great. All right, here we're coming up to another old-fashioned tree. Well, the tree's not old-fashioned, but the bucket is. Well, sort of old-fashioned. But it's kind of cool. There a drip? Lots of drips around this place. Ha ha. This reminds me of the story when I was a kid and we used to tap maple trees at my school. And then the knucklehead grade 3s would come along and pick their nose and throw snot into it. It was gross.
Hey, Chris?
Yeah.
Is the sap running?
I don't know. Sure.
You gotta go catch it.
What? Oh, God. Bad maple syrup joke. How much is in here? Ooh, getting full. Here's Maple Syrup Central. Look at this fine looking high-tech thing, place, stuff. All right, give me a tour. What do we got going on here?
Well, from there, from the big blue thing,
Yep.
it gets pumped through this filter.
Bullshit. Show me. I don't see a pump anywhere. There's a pump in here?
There's a pump in there.
Oh, there. What's the pump look like?
Pump.
Oh, okay. And then the pump goes through this doohickey thing here.
Yep.
Goes all the way around there. Looks like a still. All right. Okay. So it gets pumped from there, there. Ah, it comes into the roof here. Nice. Then where's the switch?
Well, the switch is, hey Google, turn on sap.
What? Oh, Google's amazing. So this is the stuff from the blue thing going into this shiny thing.
So we go through a filter to filter out all the sticks and twigs and leaves so that we've got relatively clean sap.
Any raccoon poop in here?
No raccoon poop.
Okay.
No dog poop either.
All right. Okay.
And this is the pre-warmer.
Yep.
So this gets the sap up to about 140, 150 degrees.
Where do you plug the stove in here?
We plug the stove in.
Oh, nice. Marshmallow time. All right, pre-warmer. Yeah. So what kind of wood are you burning? Maple? It's kind of like, feeding pigs pork chops, right?
Yeah, maple, oak, poplar, pine, whatever you can get.
All right. So this pre-warms the stuff right from the tree. Nice. What's this thing? What are you doing?
So now it feeds automatically
Yep.
from the warming pot into the main boiling tray.
Hang on. What's this thing? What's this thing?
This is the temperature gauge. So right now it's 140 degrees.
Nice. So it goes in there from the big blue thing into the shiny thing, and you turn that doohickey thing, and it goes along here, and then starts dripping it there. Whoa! And what's this thing?
So that's the main boiling pan.
All right. And where do you plug that in? I don't know. It looks like you're doing moonshine in here. Oh! More maple firewood to make maple syrup.
Yep.
Right. There's the supply of wood here. Some more wood there. Hey Google, split the wood. Right. And this looks hot. Is this hot?
That's hot. That's 212, 14 degrees.
Yes. And then what happens?
So this boils and boils and boils and boils. We boiled all day yesterday and we'll boil all day today. And eventually the water evaporates off and you're left with maple syrup.
Nice. And then what do you do with the maple syrup?
You put it on pancakes.
Or you can mix it with this stuff. Just saying, there's a fully stocked bar in this Maple Shack, which is the best Maple Shack ever. What temperature do you take it out of this thing?
Normally about 217 degrees.
217, and then you pour it into this thing here, right? And this is what it looks like.
Right.
Oh,
So this is yesterday's boil.
yep. Now what do you do with this?
So this I'll add to today's boil at the end of the day and boil it down a bit more.
Yep.
And then I'll take it home and finish it on the stove.
All right.
Got to get up to 219, 220 degrees, and that's maple syrup.
And then the maple syrup gets poured in with rum and
Over
scotch.
ice cream.
Ice cream, yes, right.
Right.
The next day.
Good morning. So it's the next day. We emptied all of the maple syrup out of the big flat pan on the wood stove into here. And the reason we do that is because we finish it in the house where we have very controlled temperature. But before I put it on the stove, I'm going to run it through a filter to get rid of gunge.
She's a good helper.
She is a good helper. Oh, Chewbacca. There we go. We'll let that drip for a few minutes.
One eternity later.
So now we've transferred it from the filter into this pan. And now we're going to boil this down.
3:28 a.m.
So we're trying to get to, for maple syrup you buy at your standard sugar bush, they'll take it to 219. I like mine a little thicker, so I actually take it to 220, 221, 220 and a half.
A few minutes later.
221.
And I think we're good.
You're gonna burn it. You're gonna burn it.
Take it off the heat now. And we'll run it through the final filter step. That's it. I'll be back in a sec when we bottle.
12 seconds later.
So we got the temperature into the syrup back up to 180 degrees. So now we're going to ready to bottle. So I pre-buy these bottles at the local maple syrup shop on Highway 11. Just because it's cute. So anyhow, here we go. There we go. And that's it.
What do you do with this?
That we eat for breakfast in the morning. Or pour over ice cream.
Or in my coffee?
Or in your coffee.
Excellent.
And that's how you make maple syrup.